Useful postal worker phrases. How would you like to ship this package, letter, postcard? Do you want to send this by air or by sea? Would you like to buy any stamps, envelopes, boxes? Who is the recipient of this package? Where would you like to send this letter, parcel, postcard? Can you please fill out the sender's address? Do you want to buy insurance for this parcel? How many stamps, envelopes, boxes would you like? Would you like to know your tracking number for this parcel, box, letter? Is there anything else I can help you with?